Day 3 of Railfanning during the holidays brought 16R, and unlike Day 2, we didn't have to wait very long for him to show up. We are filming this at the former Delaware and Hudson station in the middle of Bainbridge, New York. Today's 16R has its full manifest block and trash containers from Michigan, but no auto racks on today's 16R. The power is the same power that led 265 the previous day on day 2. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out as we check out a nice meet in Afton, New York. That afternoon, my scanner notified me a train was clearing the defect detector in Sydney, New York. That train was 11R with 6 units, and these locomotives are from 3 different railways: Norfolk Southern, Canadian Pacific Kansas City, and CSX Transportation. This train was so cool and rare that I had to shoot in 2 different places. We caught it in Bainbridge and flying over the brilliant Harpursville Trestle, as Harpursville Trestle is one of the more famous locations on the entire Delaware and Hudson. Normally, when you see a Canadian Pacific locomotive on the Norfolk Southern portion of the Delaware and Hudson, it's usually on train 30T and 31T, because that train interchanges with Canadian Pacific. So it's kind of rare seeing a Canadian Pacific GEVO on the Massachusetts bound trains. While this train wasn't bound for Massachusetts, it was leaving Massachusetts. This train is one of few thousands that this trestle has served for many years. This trestle has seen everything from camelback locomotives, Challengers, even a Union Pacific big boy, D&H Lightning Strike Jeeps, and all sorts of goodies such as the Toys for Tots train. You can easily see why this is a favorite amongst rail fans. It's scenic and, well, there's nowhere else like it on the entire line. This trestle serves loyal to Norfolk Southern as it did with the Delaware and Hudson and the Canadian Pacific. The Norfolk Southern portion of the Delaware and Hudson used to be owned by Canadian Pacific until the line was bought out by Norfolk Southern in September 2015, where Norfolk Southern got trackage rights from Binghamton all the way to Albany. Canadian Pacific handles the portion of the line from Sanitaria Springs, New York, all the way into Canada. Blue and yellow CSX locomotives were not all that uncommon on this train at one point or time, as Pan Am Railways owned a ton of former CSX locomotives, mostly being Dash 8s. From May to June 2023, CSX locomotives were all over this train and its northbound counterpart, the 16R. We hope you enjoyed Day 3 of the holiday special. We'll see you for Day 4, Part 4 in the next video. God bless. We'll see you around the bend. Thanks for watching.